Hey, it's Eric from Team Drawio, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to import, export, and embed your diagrams using Drawio, whether you're working on existing files or sharing your diagram in different formats. Let's jump in. Let's start with imports. The classic drag and drop is the quickest way to bring images or diagrams into your canvas. Just pull your files directly onto the canvas. That was easy enough, right? But if you prefer another option, head to the top left corner, click File, or the hamburger menu in the board editor, and select Import From. You can then choose to upload from your device or paste a URL. Export it as a XML file, and you can seamlessly import it into your Drawio workspace. If you're migrating from Glyphy, well, first, welcome, and second, we've got you covered. With the mass import feature, you can easily import all your Glyphy diagrams into Drawio. To do this, go to your Confluence administration settings by clicking on the gear icon at the top right. Under the Drawio add-on section, select Glyphy Mass Import. This tool will migrate all your diagrams and page macros into editable Drawio files while keeping the Glyphy diagrams as attachments within Confluence. Want to migrate space by space instead? You can do that too at your own pace. Check out the link in the description for the full Glyphy mass import guide. Now let's talk exports. Once you're happy with your diagram, you can export it as an image file in PNG, JPEG, or SVG formats. If you need to embed your diagram, we've got options for HTML, XML, or UML link, perfect for embedding your visualizations elsewhere. And for those who like a little extra control, the advanced export feature lets you customize your exports. For instance, we've bumped up the DPI to 300, so our diagrams look crispy whether you use them in large presentations or small documents. The embed function is a powerful way to share your diagrams in different formats like images, SVG, HTML, iframes, giving you plenty of flexibility. Thanks for watching. Now you're all set to import, export, and embed your diagrams like a pro. Check out our next Drawio Academy video where we'll cover some use cases and the variety of Drawio. See you next time.